Hey everyone, welcome back to another Windows Wednesday. I'm Bob from Bob's Computer Service, and today I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps you no longer use. In this example, we're going to remove McAfee, which sometimes sneaks in when you uninstall something like Adobe Reader. First, click on the Start button and go to Settings. You can also click Windows key I to open up Settings. On the left-hand side, we're going to go to Apps and then Install Apps. And then in alphabetical order, we're going to go down to McAfee and hit these three little dots and click Uninstall. And hit Uninstall right here. It kind of gives you a warning. And usually something that would come up that says, hey, do you want changes to be made to this computer? You would click yes. I had turned that off because that'll affect this recording. And then we hit Uninstall right here. And as you can see, it's removing McAfee. And we'll just let it finish up for a second. It won't be long. And you can even see it disappeared from the list of installed apps in the background. And that's it. McAfee is now removed from your computer. And I would just restart just to totally clear everything out, but then it's gone. And you can do this with any app the same way. Clearing up unused apps like this helps keep your PC running smooth and free from clutter. If you found this helpful, be sure to like this video and check out the rest of the Windows Wednesday series. See you next Wednesday.